In this question, you have to identify which is not a part of the operon. Option A, an operator. Now, the operator is a DNA segment that acts as a binding site for the repressor protein, and it regulates whether the structural gene of the operon would be transcribed or not. Hence, it is an essential part of an operon. Thus, it is incorrect option. Option B, structural genes. Now, it is also an essential part of an operon because structural genes are the genes that encode for proteins or enzymes that are involved in a particular metabolic pathway or process. Hence, it is also incorrect option. Option C, promoter. It is also a very essential part of the operon because the promoter is a region of DNA where RNA polymerase binds to initiate transcription of the operon. Thus, it is incorrect option. Option D, an enhancer. Now, enhancers are regulatory DNA sequences that can increase the transcription of a gene, but they are not a part of a bacterial operon. But they are more relevant in eukaryotic gene regulation. Hence, it is the correct option.